had to bring so much stuff, I had to pitch a tent and be here a while. Fixing the art on Ronald Reagan. Bad. Hey, I re-sprained my arm again. I was feeling good, so I didn't put this wrap on there. I goofed it up even worse. Check it out, y'all. Looks a little crazy from the inside, but it's sturdy. I know. You guys like to watch me paint stuff, not fix stuff. That's why I didn't record the whole thing. So you want to be the public art guy. I guess that's one thing to consider. Hurricanes. Check it out. Good as new. I'm not, but the art is. I got more to fix down there, but I'm not doing it today, man. I'm gonna go jump in the pool. See how straight that is? I fixed what Hurricane Irma did and the vandals. How you doing? Yeah!